Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create Brevo contacts from Google Sheets. Suppose you have prepared a Google Sheets which contains the details of your contacts or your leads, and now you want to create new contacts in Brevo by using the same Google Sheet data. So how you are going to do that process automatically and effortlessly? For that you will have to integrate your Google Sheets with Brevo, and because they do not have any kind of native integration between them, therefore we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Google Sheets in our trigger and Brevo in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new row will be added in your Google Sheets along with the details of a person, automatically by using the same response, a new contact will be created in Brevo. And to learn the entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So let's start learning. Suppose we have a list of leads or customers or contacts in our Google Sheets, and we want to create new contacts in Brevo by using the same details. Okay, so we are going to learn this process step by step, that how can we automatically create contacts in Brevo by using the details we have in our Google Sheets. Let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, in order to create the workflow, we have to come on our browser and then we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. When we do that, we will come on the landing page of this software. Here we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all application page of Pabbly. So here we can find all the products offered by Pabbly. To create this workflow and to integrate various applications, we use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And this will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it. And we can find that a dialog boxes appear in front of us. So basically we have to give the name to this workflow. So let us give a random name to the workflow. Create Brevo contacts by using Google Sheets. So I have given this name. You can give any name to your workflow according to your choice. Now after giving the name, let's click on create. And we can find that two windows will be open in front of us, trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts of this workflow. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Our action will always be the response towards our trigger. Whatever we will select in our trigger application and in our trigger event, the action will follow the same. Okay, so here suppose we have Google Sheets in our trigger application, and we want that whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets, automatically a contact should be created by using the same details of Google Sheets in Brevo. So here our action is Brevo and trigger is Google Sheets. So action is following exactly what the trigger says. Now let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we have to select our trigger application, which is going to be Google Sheets. So let's select it. In our trigger event, we will select new or updated spreadsheet row. So whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets, automatically the response will be captured here. And for that, we will have to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, and that we are going to do with the help of this webhook URL which is provided to us. So let us copy this. And now we can find that some instructions are also provided to us which we have to follow exactly in order to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So I will tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. First of all, let's go on the Google Sheet. So this is the spreadsheet which I'm going to use in order to create contacts in Brevo. So we will connect this spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. First of all, let's enter the details of a contact. Let us say demo user, and let us enter a random email and our contact number. So let's suppose these are the details which I have in my Google Sheets: first name, last name, email and contact. So suppose I have created this particular Google Sheets for my personal use, for recording the details of my customers or for my leads, and now I want that by using the same details, new contact should be created in Brevo. So for that, how we are going to connect this particular Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect? For that, we have to go on extensions and then we have to go on add-ons. By clicking on get add-ons, we will come on Google Workspace Marketplace. So here we will search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And basically we have to install Pabbly Connect Webhooks here. Okay, so because I have already installed it, so I will cross it, and then again we will go on extensions. We can find Pabbly Connect Webhooks is given over here. So we will click on initial setup. Okay. So in order to do initial setup, we have to enter two details, webhook URL and trigger column. So the webhook URL is the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and now the trigger column. The trigger column will be the last column in which the data is entered in the spreadsheet. So here in this particular spreadsheet, D column is the last column in which the data is entered. Basically, the concept of trigger column says that whenever the data will be entered up to this column, then the workflow will initiate. That means then the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So let us enter capital D here. Done. Click on send test. And our test data is sent successfully. Now we will click on submit and we will cross it. Okay, now we will go back on Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received the response here, and yes, we can find that we have received all the details which we have entered in Google Sheets here automatically. So now we are going to use the same details in order to create contacts in Brevo. Let us select our action application as Brevo. Let's select it, and in our action event we will select create or update contact. Okay, click on connect. And from the given options, let's select add new connection. So here we have to enter two details, domain and API key. So first of all, let us enter the domain and we will go on our Brevo account, and here we can find that in the URL our domain is given over here. Okay, so my domain is brevo.com only, so I am keeping it the same. In the same manner, you have to enter your domain name. Now the next is API key. So to find out API key, again we have to go on our Brevo account and we will go on home. And from the profile option, which is given on the top right corner, we will find the option of SMTP and API key. Okay, let's select it. And we have to go on API keys, and several API keys are already existed here for different workflows. Now to generate a new API key, we have to click on this generate a new API key button. Okay, and now we have to give the name to this API. So I will give a random name to the API. Let's say new API key. Okay, I have given the name. Let's click on generate, and here we can find that our API key is ready. Now we will copy it and we will paste it over here. Let's click on save. And here our Brevo account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the details which it is asking in order to create a new contact. So first of all, it is asking us for the email. So we have received the email and other details of the contact from Google Sheet response. So we are going to use the same response in order to map the details here. How we are going to do that? We will simply select our previous step and we will search for the data. And here the email is given. So we will select it and it is mapped. So why we are using this step here, why we are mapping the data instead of entering them manually? Because we want that whenever a new response is captured in Pabbly Connect through Google Sheets, automatically these fields should be replaced with the new details and the workflow should not get stuck. But if we will enter the details manually, then it will become static and it will not change with every new response. Then the workflow will not run smoothly. So in order to automate the entire process without doing anything manually, we use mapping, and mapping is very important step of every workflow here. Okay, the next is email blacklisted. Set true this field to blacklist the contacts for email. So I do not want to send email, so I have selected it as true only. You can select false also. The next is SMS blacklisted. Set true this field to blacklist the contacts for SMS. So I have selected true because I do not want to send any SMS also. The next is list. So we have to select the list in which we want to create new contacts. So again we will go on Brevo, and here under contact section we can find the option of list. And these are various lists which are existing in our Brevo account for contacts. Okay, so I want to create new contact in this list which is named as new list. So we will select new list here in Pabbly Connect. From the drop down we have selected new list. So you can select your own list, and some of the fields are optional here, so I am ignoring them for now. So we will map the last name also from Google Sheets by using the same manner. This is last name, first name, and that's it. So after entering this much detail, I am clicking on save and send test request. And we can find that we have received the response along with the ID of the contact. Okay, so that means a new contact has been created in Brevo by using the Google Sheets. So that means a new contact is created in Brevo in new list. Okay, so let us go and check. This is my list, new list. Let us open it. And we can find that yes, a new contact is created over here with the name as demo user, and the date is also given over here. That means our workflow is successful. But before completing the workflow, we have to do one more thing. We have to go on our Google Sheets again, and we will again go on extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks. And this time instead of initial setup, we will select send on events. Okay. So why we have done this? Because we want as soon as we add a new row in this particular sheet, automatically the data should be keep on sending in Pabbly Connect, and automatically the response should be captured there, and automatically the contact should be created in Brevo. So therefore we have selected send on events. Now we will check this workflow once again by adding one more row with the details of a new contact. So let us enter, let's say test contact, and let us enter a random email again, testcontact@pabblytudes.com, and a random phone number. So we have added one more row here. Now we will go on Brevo and check whether automatically this contact is created there or not. So we will go on Brevo and we will refresh this page. And yes, we can find that a new contact is added automatically here with the same name as test contact. Okay, so now that means our workflow is perfectly successful. We will go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken only two steps here, trigger and action. In trigger we have taken Google Sheets, and in action we have taken Brevo. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets, along with the details of our customers or leads or contacts, automatically by using the same details, a new contact will be created in Brevo. Okay, so this was the full workflow, and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to integrate both these applications. This was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.